Howdy folks, Trevor here. Just got a problem with my B5 Passat and I'm going to hopefully rectify it today. If I turn the ignition, you'll see now when all the lights go out and I start the engine, there's one light left on and it's that one there, the ABS light. So I'm going to scan it with VCDS and see what the problem is. Okay, so it's that fella there. Looks like it's the original part. This still has the Volkswagen or Audi badge on it. Somehow get that out. Hopefully it should come out easy enough. Fingers crossed. Okay, so down at this end, it appears to move a bit. So, wow, easier than I expected. Okay, so you see on this loom here there's two plugs. One is for the ABS sensor, the other one's for the brake pad monitoring. This is the wear indicator. If I tip you down here, this is the plug for the brake pad wear sensor, and there's no wires coming out of it, so obviously we're not monitoring the brake pad wear issue here, so we're just going to, you know, crank that off up here instead and just run with the ABS sensor. Yeah, I mean, you can see that there, but right there the previous owner has bridged the contacts, so it will never register a brake wear issue. This is fine. You know what, since it's scrap anyway, I'm just going to cut it off there and pull it out the other way. It's easier than threading the loom back. Show you here, that's the old loom, this is the new one. So new sensor, one plug. Now I've got to cross those two so that they don't bring up a brake pad error. So I'm going to make a little wire that bridges those two. Now to make this really easy on myself, I'm going to just cut off these two wires here on the red plug, the grey and the black, or the brown and black, and just expose them and bridge them. see now with this little solder ring here, when I heat that with the heat gun, both wires are crossed over like this, and the solder will join the two of them together. So, standard heat gun. And that's it, both wires are now bridged, heat shrunk, and sealed from the other elements. So that's plugged in. That should be it. There, into here, here, and through there. ABS sensor. We have no ABS light.